coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to draw the involute of a circle. Now the question is asking us to draw the involute of a circle of diameter 50 millimeters. We have to assume that the string length is equal to the circumference of the circle. Right, so let's begin. We're going to measure the diameter. The diameter is given to us as 50, so the radius is 25. So we measure 25. That's 25. I'm going to stand here and draw a circle. Let me take it somewhere here. Alright, we have a circle now. I'm going to divide this circle into 12 parts. The rule of thumb is the more divisions you make on the circle, the more regular or the more accurate the involute is going to be. So you can choose to make 8 divisions. It all depends on you. Or you can choose to make more than 12. It all depends on you. But in this case, I'm going to make 12 divisions. I'm marking out with the radius at the 4 corners in order to get the various points of intersection. Yeah. I forgot to make one here. Alright, so we have our 12 divisions now. Now let's number them. So 1, 2, back to 12. I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Now let's find the circumference of the circle. That's 2 pi r. And that's 15.7. So I'll mark 15.7. That's my 15.7. I'm going to divide this length. So let me name it as point P. I'm going to divide line 12P into 12 parts. So I'm going to draw an acute angle. Any acute angle of your choice. So that's my acute angle. I think it's too faint. Yeah, that's better. Let me bring this one closer. I'm going to step off 12 equal distances. You can use any distance of your choice. So that's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so I've joined the last point to point P. Then I'm going to draw parallel lines to that line. So let's see how we go about it. I'm going to align it with it. I'm going to support it with this one. And this. Yeah. I'm going to move. I think you have adjusted the space. So now let's move up a bit. So you align it with it. Then you support it with this. Then we move. Right. So we have our 12 divisions now. So I'll name here point 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we are going to draw perpendicular lines to each of the numbers, or to each of these lines. So you place a set square on the edge and we draw. We want the next one. Place a set square on the edge. Then we draw. I think this is better. We place it on the edge. Here we draw. Then the last one. So that's it. Next, we are going to stand at 1. We open to a point P. Stand at 1 and inscribe an arc. I'm going to do that for all of the numbers. So let's see. So I stand at 1, open to P. Oh, my P is too short. Let me see what I can do. My compass is too short to get from 1 to p. So I'm going to measure. But when you're doing it, you have to use your compass to pick for accurate measurement. So I'll measure. So that's 14.4. So 14.4. I'll scribe an arc. Then 2 to point P. 2 to point P is 13.1. So 2 to point P, 13.1. And let me see if I can pick from 3 to point P. Okay, I can pick 2 to 3 to P. So I'm going to pick 3 to P. Let's stand at 3. And inscribe an arc. So you have a point 3. And so that's it. Then stand at 4 and pick from 4 to P. Then stand at point 4 and inscribe an arc. Then 5 to P. Well, I didn't draw one for 5. Let me quickly do that. So 5 to P. That's 5 to P. Then 6 to P. Stop at 6 and inscribe an arc. Then 7 to P. Then 8 to P. Then 9 to P. That's my arc. 10 to P. Then 11 to P finally. Then P. So you're going to join all the points you have marked with the freehand sketch. But then you can use the compass as an aid to guide you. Then finally this one is a bit scary. Let me even it out. Yeah, the one's a bit better. Yeah, so that's how to draw an involute of a circle, given that the string length is equal to the circumference of a circle. Thank you.